It's just so nice to sit in nature and listen to the birds and all the other creatures, and to look at the ones that are running around, and to look at the greenery and people walking by. It's just so awesome. It's awesome, it's peaceful, it's beautiful, and it's just exquisite. I could do this every day. Wow, look at this beautiful bird. It has just landed. Oh my gosh. You should do the same thing. Take some time out of your busy schedule to just go into nature, sit in nature, and enjoy it. It's yours to enjoy, for after all, God created it for us. Be blessed and enjoy.